I don't think we talk enough about how hard it is to start small, how embarrassing it can feel to want something big but only be able to take tiny steps toward it. But here's the truth no one says out loud. Small steps still move you forward. Quiet progress still counts. Slow growth is still growth. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need big wins every week. You just need the courage to keep going, even when the progress is invisible to everyone but you. If you're starting small, be proud of yourself. Most people never start at all.